Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off AI mode in Google. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, gotta open up your browser. It would be Chrome or Edge. Now, once you're in here, click on three dots at the very top or three horizontal lines, depending on your browser. And then just go ahead over to settings. Now, go ahead and go to the left panel and you'll have search engine. Click on it. Now click on manage search engines and site search. Scroll down and find the site search section and click on add. Now let's go ahead and type down the name, maybe Google No AI, just like so. Now shortcut at web. You can go ahead and pause the video if you want to. And then URL, follow along, double curly braces. And then go ahead and type down Google, colon, base URL. Go outside the curly brace, type down search, question mark Q equals % S and UDM equals 14. So Y equals 14. The code UDM equals 14 is a command. The code UDM equals 14 commands Google to hide all AI fragments. So click on add. Now you'll have it right here in the list. Google No AI, click on three dots and make it as your default. Now when you go ahead and type down any query right here, for example, YouTube, just like so, now you'll be landed directly under web, not in AI mode. All right. Now, if you want to remove the AI mode omnibar button, if you don't know what the omnibar is, basically this one, right? When you go ahead and open up a new tab, you have AI mode. If you want to remove that, well, just type down from Chrome, okay, colon, // flags. Like so. Again, Chrome, colon, // flags. Click on it or hit on enter. And then just basically find AI mode. All right, and you'll be able to find these three. Find Omnibox Dynamic AI Mode button, NTP, space DOS not active, disable these three. All right, just leave speculative decoding right here as default. And once that's done, click on relaunch. And after that, you are good to go. That's how simple it is to turn off AI mode in Google. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.